Finding values for which identities are invalid or undefined. Recall that equations that are true for all values of the unknown variable are known as identities. For the unknown variable, both the sides of the identity are defined. Note, however, that there can be some cases where the identities are invalid or undefined. If we are dealing with trigonometric fractions, the identity is undefined if the denominator is 0. If an identity involves tan x, which is not defined, the identity is invalid. For example, tan x is undefined when cos x equals 0, because tan x equals sin x over cos x. That is, when x equals 90 degrees plus n times 180 degrees, n element of z. If there is a square root sign, for example, say root of g of x, the identity is not valid for the values of x, which makes g of x less than 0. While proving identities, we may be asked to find the values of the angle x or theta for which identity is undefined or invalid. Let us solve one such example. Find the values of x for which the following identity is undefined. 1 plus cos x over sin x equals root of 1 plus cos x over 1 minus cos x. Solution. Recall that the denominator cannot be 0 for an identity to remain valid. Observe the denominator on the left side of the equal sign. The identity is undefined when sin x equals 0. That is, when x equals n times 360 degrees, n element of z, or 180 degrees plus n times 360 degrees, n element of z. Observe the denominator on the right side of the equal sign. The identity is undefined when the denominator, 1 minus cos x, becomes 0. That is, when cos x equals 1. When x equals n times 360 degrees, n element of z. Note the square root sign in the given identity. The identity is defined only when the term under the square root is non-negative, since -1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. Therefore, expression is defined for x, element of R. Therefore, the values of x where the identity is not defined are x equals n times 360 degrees, 180 degrees plus n times 360 degrees, n element of z.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.